If you want to know how you can enable or disable the auto workout detection on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe up and open the app drawer, and in the app drawer just go to settings. From here you will find the option of health, just tap on it. Now to enable the auto workout detection, over here you will find the option of activities to detect. Just enable this toggle, then tap on it one more time to select the activities which you want to detect. For example, if you want your Galaxy Fit 3 to detect your walking, you can enable this toggle. And if you want to disable the detection of running, you can do it from here, and you can customize each workout from here. Just like that. And once you do that, your Galaxy Fit 3 will automatically detect the workouts which you have enabled. Now, if you want to disable the auto workout detection, just disable this toggle. And by doing that, you will disable the auto workout detection on your Galaxy Fit 3. And this is how you can enable auto workout detection on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.